All right, we got something exciting today. It's my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, so this is gonna be my unboxing video. Alright, let's see here. Looks like we have it's my paperwork with my prescription and everything on it, because I ordered my Ray-Ban Meta glasses with my prescription. Let's see here. Looks like they got everything right. Okay. But yeah, inside of here, we have my prescription and certificate of authenticity. So it comes with this little certificate, thank you, little history on Ray-Ban, types of lenses, the technology, different types of color lenses. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. And we got how to package it if I need to return it. Okay. And then, let's see, let's get to the glasses themselves. Right. Here's those. And here we go. Here's the box they come in. I got the wafer. And let's open them up. Oh, that's nice. Okay, here's what the inside of the box looks like. And then this is the carrying case. And then let's see, what do we got here? We have let's see what's in here. Is that more of a little, get started guide. Safety and warranty. On the right side here, kind of pushed it in there, but on the right side here we have the official Ray-Ban Meta little cleaning cloth, and information on here. Download the Meta app, how to open them, charge them. Oh, and then I guess it has the battery level right there also. So this gives you information if you want to go get prescription lenses, the safety and warranty, like I said. Oh, here it goes. So all the little controls that are on the glasses, power switch, the capture button, the camera, the touchpad, the capture LED, the speakers, microphones, notification, LED. That's pretty cool. All right, and then, oh, here we go. That's pretty neat. They light up. And, oh, here you go. So you see the glasses just seat right in there, and that's what actually charges the glasses. And we have these little things on here. It looks like they're just protecting it. I'll take these guys off. And here you go. These are my brand new Ray-Ban Meta glasses with my prescription lenses.